I am Avril Allen, a grade 6 teacher at the Bryce Primary School and a very grateful recipient of desks, chairs, drum sets, smart boards from the Jaja Foundation. On behalf of the teachers at Bryce, we would like to extend our sincere gratitude to Dr. Trevor Dixon and the Jaja Foundation for providing us with well-needed resources. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Angela Reed Scully, Vice Principal of Bryce Primary School, and I would like to use this medium to say thank you to Dr. Trevor Dixon and the Jaja Foundation for providing us with much needed resources. We will make sure that we use them, and the children, they are so excited about receiving these gifts, especially the smart board. So once again, Dr. Dixon, thank you very much.